today and tomorrow, we are going to be talking about the mood that a writer creates for us. Our anchor chart title says, writers choose precise words to create a mood. Sometimes they create words that make me feel happy. And sometimes they create words that make me feel sad. And sometimes they create words that are, make me feel guilty for something I've done or whatever it might be. But they use certain words to create a mood. Like maybe it's scary sometimes. And as we get to doing some Halloween things, we'll see where some moods could be scary. But when we look here, I want us to look at these words from the book we just read, Baltimore Baseball. It says it was bleak and gray and dusty. That they had stark barracks. That it was a dull, coppery sky. It says he felt as if he were shrinking into a tiny, hard ball. So I want you to pause this video for a minute, and I want you to write down or talk out loud about what kind of mood do these words make you feel. What do they make you feel? I want you to write those down for a second. All right, so I'm hoping that some of the words you came up with could be some of the words I came up with. So maybe they make me feel a little depressed, right? When things are like gray and dusty and bleak, like that's not exciting for me. So that could be a good word for that. They make me think of someone that is sad, right? They make me think of someone that is sad. How about miserable? I think they were very miserable. He said, I felt as if we were shrinking into a tiny, hard ball. That is not somebody that is happy. They're miserable. It makes them feel like they're alone. And another word might be gloomy. So as you're reading your book club books, your assignment that you're going to be working on, you are going to think about a mood in your book club book. Think about a mood. Think about the words and how do they make you feel when you read those words. Was it a happy mood? Was it a sad mood? Were they excited? Was it a scary situation? Was it suspenseful? Any kind of mood that you can think of. Was it an angry mood? Depressing? You're going to do that. And you're going to find text evidence just like I did here. These words made me feel this way. This text evidence proves that the mood was this way. So on your Google slide, you're going to do that. And then the last slide asks for a change in the mood. Because sometimes when we read a book, it can go from being like really sad to really happy because something happens. And there's words in that book that let me know that their mood is not sad or depressed or gloomy anymore, but that they are happy. And so you will tell us how a mood has changed within your book.